Hello. In this move, we're going to show how you can extract data from an Oracle database into a DGN file, convert it to an iModel, publish it to Navigator iModel. There's an extra conversion, and then all in a batch file, batch files. Um, Now, the first batch file is we want to have an 2D DGN. We want to extract the data from Oracle. So I need two batch files, of a batch file and an extra startup file. Startup file is this one, the graphical source, and this is the extract data. Now I open it in the text editor to explain what it does. The way it works is we have a microstation. We start it up with a certain workspace. In this case, a bendy map workspace, so it starts a bendy map. It opens a file, bgt.dgn, and then it opens it with a startup file. So microstation startups with a parameter min_s, and then a startup file. And the startup file is this one, the graphical source. What it does is it connects to graphical source with a password, query all the data and exit. Now, what I added on the batch file is that I copy an empty DGN. There's a seed file, basic seed file, bgt lay, lay means empty. I copied it to this file, the extract bgt.dgn. And this is what it does. It's a startup microstation with a certain workspace, root, workspace user, DGN file and a startup file. This is for 2D DGN. Now the iModel Navigator Publisher needs a 3D DGN, so I do exactly the same, but I do it with the same startup file, only with a 3D DGN. It's a seed file and then copy it as a file. So that's one step. The other step is I have to create an iModel from the DGN. So I open the 3D DGN and then create an iModel. What I do is also with a startup file, this one iModel, I can create this. So I start a microstation, but now I can use the standard workspace. It doesn't need to have to be that bendy map workspace for extracting the data. I open the 3D DGN and with this start file. And the startup file, I said that I have to publish an iModel and package to this name. So if you start up the batch file, you create this iModel. And then what we need to have in the seed file, we need to have the saved views because that's what the publisher needed. And then the third batch file, or basically the fourth batch file, is to create the iModel with the publisher navigator. And so I need to install the publisher navigator mobile publisher. Sorry. This is the file I need to start up, the executable. This is my input file, the i.dgn, and the iModel is and also an option is to add PDF files of documents from a certain directory. I add all the documents in this directory. So the file is I start up the executable. That's this one. Input file is i.dgn. iModel is the output file, and the embedded directory is this directory. Is directory with documents. To make it a little bit easy, I created one batch file from where I call the other batch files. So I said this is my basic create files batch file. I do a call to one batch file and then also all the batch files. So what I can do now is start up this one, and then all the batch files can be run. It takes a couple minutes. And then the first batch file here, open bgt.dgn. You can see it from here, 2D. Query the data, and when it's finished, it exit, and then this is the same again with the 3D DGN. So the first file is now created, bending map closes, and start up again with the 3D.dgn file. No, and this is exactly the same, importing it, but in this case 3D.dgn. The 3D.dgn is now created. What I'm gonna do now in the next batch file is opening the 3D.dgn with all the data and then export it as an publish it as an imodel. Takes a while. So the file is now created. Now it startups the building map navigator publisher and use the imodel as input file, the 3D i.dgn, this one. And then add a directory for documents, PDF files, and then create an imodel. No, it's almost finished now. It's finished. Now you can see I created DGN file, 2D DGN, 3D DGN. Created two publish iModels. And this is the iModel I can use for a navigator, mobile on the iPad. And of course you can schedule this batch file in schedule task, so every morning or whenever it's needed. The file is created. And in batch file you can extend the batch file with copying it to a certain working directory, copying to a Dropbox or to project-wise. So every day or every time you want, you can create the data and put it in the right spot so the users always have the latest version.